好吗？可以了吗？ OK 了吗？可以吗？开始了吗？开始了。Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to 127th Canton Fair and welcome to CHINASTARS showing room. Due to COVID-19 we have in world in 2020, lots of countries are locked down, but luckily both of us are health and survival. It's not only Canton Fair's first online exhibition, also it is my first time online exhibition too. I'm not sure what will happen during the show, but which both of us have a good start. Now, let me introduce our company and myself first. CHINASTARS is reflective material and high visibility safety clothing manufacturer in China, being in this industry more than 17 years. Was known as one of reflective material leaders in China and the world. Till now, we have extended our business to Europe, North America, mainly for USA, Canada, South America include Mexico, Brazil, Chile, and Colombia, Asia, like India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Middle East, South Africa, Australia. Maybe you would be surprised. Wow, your business almost covers the world. And the answer is yes. The person you see who wear high visibility safety vest on duty or running, cycling, or on the way for delivery parcels, maybe they are CHINASTARS original made, either reflective material or whole clothes. Now for some fashion and outdoor jackets, more and more people realize the importance of safety in regular life. Be seen, be safe is not only one slogan, but being into our life day after day. Using reflective elements were added to garments from shoulder, bottom, back, and also some past too, or part. For me, my name is I've been in China around 15 years. For me, with relative material and high visibility safety clothing in Europe. This is my name card. You can email code to get my. If you have any doubt, welcome to send email. We can discuss together. I think for the brief instruction we have above, you already know something about the CHINASTARS. Now back to our topic. With the advantage CHINASTARS have. CHINASTARS high visibility safety clothing business works well all the time. Even for COVID, we have in year 2020. Till June, all the production lines are full. I think you want to know why. Today, I will take a short time to introduce why Western business goes on well and stable year by year. You know there are lots of Western suppliers around. Some of them will quote much more lower price, but why clients finally choose us? I think after below points, you can understand the reason. We will start from below experts, like workshop, honest, capability, stitching machines, workers' skill, and how we inspection package before delivery. Let's have one overview of the workshop first. From you can see from the video, the left part is our cutting fabric area. The middle and the right part is our stitching lines. We have total 4 different stitch sewing groups, which is the most part of the waist made of. From the video, you already have some impression how the workshop we have looks like. The surroundings is clean and clear. Cutting, stitching, inspection, package, and storage area are all very clean. Even half-finished waste was marked and packed in bundle in its own place. Okay, let's finish the video and back to next part. Honest. I think honest is not the only personality we should have. It's also important for business, especially for overseas business, because your clients will not show in your place every time to see each procedure, like what's the fabric you purchase, how you inspection. What we have to do is to make your clients full trust on us, like weight of the fabric. Weight of frozen fabric we used on waste. For example, to your market, if waste want to meet ISO 2471 Class 2 standard, the fabric should be 120 grain, while some of suppliers will use around 115 or even 110 grain instead, because from our eyes or hand feeling, no one knows what real weight of the fabric is. Like this one and this two. From the style, they are almost the same, but the original one weight of the fabric is 120, and the yellow one is only around 60 grams. So from eyes, you have no idea what the weight of the fabric is. And also for the refill tape used on the waist, the one we used on the waist is certified tape. We do not reduce anything for raw material. Follow strictly what the clients want. And then we are back to capability. We can supply around more than 50,000 to 100,000 pieces safety vest per month. Like for these three styles, you can see this one horizontal, two vertical tape, and this style only two horizontal tape, and this one four braces. Like this simple style, there is no pockets, no zipper closure. We can finish in this style around 100,000 pieces per month. And like this one, we call this one survival vest with lots of pockets, and also the contrasting trim. Like this one, we can finish with around 50,000 pieces per month. And also this vest is also very popular to your markets with lots of safety, lots of pockets. Like the left chest, there is one radio pocket, one pen pocket, and in right chest, there is one clearance ID pocket, and also bottom one cargo pocket with flap and vocal closure. Like this one, we can finish with around 50,000 pieces per month. Each month, we will load around 3 to 4 cargoes. See texture photos. We like 20 feet, 40 feet, 40 high containers, and also 45 containers. Not only FCL, and also we have LCL, which we will send goods to the port directly. For business, we are not only care about waste quality, we also consider what clients worried about. You know, everyone worried about China in beginning of February 2020. Think virus would be everywhere, like the virus will stay on your package, stay on your waste, cargoes. Even we know it not happen. In order to make clients do not worry for the issues, we check everything carefully. From your number several photo, you can see the present. You can see during novel coronavirus situation, we use medical alcohol to disinfect cargo before delivery. The person using the spray pool to clean the cargo before we loading the waste. And each time before loading the waste into the cargo, we will check if in dry at least about is professional team full with skilled workers who have lots of teaching experience and one with management from raw material source, production, and delivery. Being in this industry more than 17 years, we are familiar with the standard for different markets like EN, ISO 2471, AC 107, CSA for Canada markets, both Class 2, Class 3, Class 1, and even Class E for paints. Like if you want your waste to meet EN 2471，我感觉不要打灯吧，灯太亮。Like if you want your waste to meet EN ISO 2471 standard, you have to use 100 polyester solid fabric, and the minimum weight of the fabric should be around 120 grams. And like this one, the chest size minimum should be around 66 centimeters wide. And like this one, because the fabric is only around 60 grams, even it has 4 braces, it could not meet EN ISO 2401 class 2. You may see the link for our products. And also, we know USA markets, like USA market, they prefer mesh fabric instead of solid fabric. Mesh fabric is much more popular than the solid. You can see we call this one is American mesh fabric. And also for Canada market, you can see like this West. This one is for Canada market. As we know, Canada market is almost the same as the rest to American, but they still have a difference. Like for Canada market, back tape is X cross instead of vertical tape, and this one dealing on back in case some of the workers will climb to the wall or constructions. They need to bring their tools. And also this one is no refill tape. This is for USA non-rated waste. And like this one is for Australian market. You can see most of the Australian markets, their vertical tape is much more longer compared to Europe and the USA same market, and their back of the waist is much more longer than front. There is a tail design on the waist. This is for Australian market. It is only one style of Australian market. There is other style. If you are interested, you can check our website later on. And like this one, this is for mostly used for Japan markets, hard mesh fabric with the PVC tape on. We are not only work for safety vest, and we also know jackets, rainwear, pants, and also t-shirts. Like this t-shirt, 2 horizontal t-shirts. This one is for your markets too. And like this one horizontal and 2 vertical tape. This t-shirt is both for Europe and also North American markets. Our garment manager have more than 30 years experience on how to make clothes. During production, we will give some suggestions to our clients how to make their waist meet the standard, how to make their waist much more economic to save some cost. Like this style, we safety vest with contrasting trim. In the very beginning, our client, the width of the contrasting trim tape is around more than 10 centimeters wide, which will cost a much higher price. So during our production, we suggest our clients narrow the contrasting trim tape into 8 centimeters wide. We ask our clients narrow the contrasting trim into 9 centimeters wide. In this case, it can save some cost. Even 1 cent or 2 cents, we will give some suggestion to our clients. And also, you can see from this left pocket. Now you can see it is small one. And you know, for the iPhone, we have +1. And during production, we will ask our clients to make it larger to put the iPhone Plus on. And now we will back to the workers. The workers we have is from local. So even before Chinese New Year holiday peak time for production and export, we can finish and deliver the waste on time without any delay compared with other factories. Most of their workers are not from local, so they will left for home in earlier time before Chinese New Year holiday started. They will have labor issues before Chinese New Year holiday, but we do not have. Later, and now I will share some more details. How we proceed the waste orders. First one, fabric cutting. You can see from the photo, there's this place we cut our frozen fabric here. You can see there's lots of paper sheets hang on the wall. Before the order confirmed, we make one sample to clients for approval. After the waste is approved, based on the size and the chart, we draw the style on the paper sheets like size chart. Each one has their individual one. After fabric reached and ready, we will cut the style from the sheets we made. All the cutted fabric will be bundled with odd number, style, size, quantity to make sure everything is correct. You see there are lots of bundles on the wall. Second, Confirm the waist style. For each waist order, we will hang one waist in front of our production line. You can see from the photo, this orange one, safety vest was hung in front of your production line. To our production manager will explain to workers how the vest composed of. Any special place needed to pay attention to, like this orange safety vest. It is a class 3 safety vest with sleeves, and also you can see where is the pockets. It is zipper closure or vocal closure, so workers can see clearly and understand well for the style for current orders. Number 3. Effective and skilled workers. Let's have one video. From this video, you can see this worker stitching the contrasting trim from the machine. It's very, very fast, and we can see the stitching lines is also very straight. She is very, very fast. The person who stitching the reflect tape, one page finish, and cutter and start another video. You can see this person is stitching reflect tape on the cutting the baking fabric. She is very fast. After one finish it, cut and start a new one. Continue each page without any stop. Let's start our number 4. 结束了，可以了。Number 4, auto stitching machine and computer controlled. You can see from this video, there is one screen show the X cross. We call this machine pattern stitching, like a micro tape with X reinforced. Everything was settled by computer in advance. You see clear from the video. The screen shows how the X cross look. The worker just pick up one cutting webbing tape and put in the correct place under the machine. It starts stitching auto. In this way, you can see the mark tape we have on the waist is clean and fastened, like in this one. No, not in this one. Even like in this one, you can see the mark tape. Mark tape is with the X cross is clean and fastened. So even with the interphone on, it is not easy for dropped and broken. And you can see it is much more beautiful and clean compared to the one with by hand. Now we will go back to how we inspection for each waist. Before package we will have three inspections. For the production inspections, we check the cutting fabric if size is correct according to size chart. During production inspection, our QC will inspect and working time by time in the production line to see if any stitching thread loose or stop. But workers do not find. If any find, she will pick it out and put it in the baskets next to and return for stitching again. Final inspection. After waist finish, we will check if neck label match the waist size, carton package, and also the workers will cut the stitching line and make it clean before package. You know, during stitching, some of the thread will left on the waist. From the video, you would see, even for some small stitching thread, we will cut it and make it clean, while some of suppliers will skip this procedure. Just pack the waste into the poly bag directly. The time you receive the waste, opening wear on, and lots of stitching thread will come out. You have to clean by yourself. Then number 5, package. For each order, we will put one correct package on the table to show how the package would like, and so the workers know how to package well, like where is the position of the stickers, and also which one is front part and which one is back. Then after the waste well package is our storage. After package, all the waste packed and storage well on the pallets with shipping mark stickers on in the finished products area, waiting to be loaded into cargo or delivered to the port. Above is advantage and the procedure we have for safety clothing. Do you have any questions? If you have any questions, you can leave message or point out to us directly. So I know you also have visit lots of garment workshops in past. How about the one we have? Professional one or some parts need to be improved. You are welcome to visit our factory when you visit China and give some suggestions to us. We have been working with lots of famous PPE distributors in the world, like Porter West, Helly Hansen, Radiance, Banzo Group, Majestic, SAS, Kishiko, and also Cordova more than 10 years for supply good quality clothes with competitive price, on-time delivery, and good customer service. So our business keeps growth each year. So here, like this one is our reflecting material catalog. If you are distributors or trading company in your country, you can send us by email. We can send this catalog to you. There are lots of different styles like t-shirts, safety vest, and also rainwear. All are listed in this catalog. This one is for free. And if you are not garment manufacturer, if you are garment manufacturer in your local, you can also buy refill tape from us too. We have sewn-on tape, like include polyester backing, FR tape, piping, iron-on heat transfer film. Now we have reflect printing fabric, like rainbow printing fabric, soft reflective material, which is widely used on fashion and outdoor garments. And this one is our reflective material catalog with different kind of reflective material on. So no matter you are a safety clothing manufacturer or reflective material distributors in your country, you can ask for both clothes and reflective material catalog from us. We will be very glad to send the one for you. So above is all the top topic we want to have today. So if you have any questions, you can contact me as below. Welcome to visit our website and send an email if you have any thoughts. So any questions? Hello? No? So you know, I just talk something more about West to USA market. You know, most of USA will prefer to have mesh fabric, like this one made of mesh fabric front and back. and this one we call it radial pockets, and this one is small radial pocket too. Bottom one with two pockets with flap and local closure. And some of the USA style there is one flash pocket inside. Do you know why USA style wants so many pockets in waist? Because like this one, they can put a phone on it. Like here, they can put a microphone. And also sometimes I even see one of the workers put one bottle of water on your pocket, so he can take out the water for drinking each time. And also, like this one, we call it pen pockets, and also you can put your tools on. And like this one is made of front solid and back mesh. Like this, all is very popular to USA market. 没嘞。So if you do not have questions right now, we can finish first. But if you have any questions, you can back to me by email or scan the QR to get my contacts. We can discuss later by email or at my WhatsApp. Both is fine. Okay, let's finish that today. And thanks to Kind China Star showing room. Bye bye.